friend is saying Nema Akoswa. A month for resigning from a more powerful position as a chain way. Now, no, yet here in UK, how many prime ministers now resign here? How many? About in a succession because Nema no more in a position of take here no infringe on public trust, public confidence, and for that matter, they resigned and nobody put a gun to their head. But we live in a society that then Obianye ready to do those things. And then back to America, my culture said they had a time a vice president, Spiro Agnew. Because when he was a senator in Maryland at the time, he was fingered in a case of corruption. When he came up, he was forced to resign as a vice president of a powerful country in the world, America. 9 months after, the sitting president, Nixon, that was when the Watergate scandal popped up. The president was also forced to resign. So this will not be the first time. We've had instances where people have resigned from most powerful offices. So we'll hear how the election was conducted in 2020 and 2024. And some of the commentaries are any decent-minded person will tender your resignation, thank the people of this country and walk away. Because some of this petition was expected, petitions are air trying seeking to remove Germans and in microphone a bag so kaya. These things have gone through filter. And into 6 me say ye giant can the beba enye ne marketwa. Petition na abano. 7 petition no. Let me break it down, yeah. Each brothers and sisters. Yes. You see, some of these petitions you can never survive. Yeah. You can because one petition may allege about 4, 5, and now 20 allegations. Even if one goes through, you go home. Yeah. So one petition can allege 20 or 30 infractions. Even if one goes through, you are going home. How much more 7 different petitions? Let's say Obia alleged like 10 allegations. So that will give you at 70. If you fall on even one, you are going home. So you don't subject yourself to this. Not as if said there are people who minorities they are being hounded. Yeah. When they were foolishly acting in this particular country against the will of the people of this country, what did they do? Yeah. At the time, everything favored them. When we were very much concerned about the sanctity of our democracy and the fact that the actions and the inactions of the Electoral Commission at the time, could turn this particular country into a war zone, they never heed to any of the wise counsel that anybody said. IPAC, which has for a very long time has been some sort of a body. Yeah. We engage, dialogue, and seek the way forward. It was at some point in time they were weaponizing. It wasn't anymore about dialogue. Yeah. It was about accepting in toy parties and toy presidential candidates and using the numbers to do elections on key issues. So the culture of having to deliberate and coming to a consensus was thrown away. The Electoral Commission was dictating at the behest of their individual wishes and rather well imposing it on political party. It's the reason why when NDC dropped out of the IPAC, the Electoral Commission could not do anything to bring them back because they thought, but we were going into a very crucial election and the security of this particular country was on the line. Yeah, we sat in this country when Gyamfi deliberately on Friday cut the people of SAR from the register. Yeah. And they were denied constitutional representation for a period of 4 good years. That alone is enough ground for their removal. And if possible, they need to even go to jail for that. Yeah. Because that is a constitutional requirement. Our constitution, every Ghanaian in every nook and cranny of this country deserve a representation in parliament. So for you to unilaterally sit at your office and a whole community, the diabolic intention was to ensure that Amewu will win the seat for the MPP, and that's exactly what he did. And subsequent to that, she could have conducted election for the people, but we sat in this country for good years. Minority, not much China. They went for holidays, so they didn't see what has happened. So people say, you see, politics here, yeah. We need to do this policy of decency. Yeah. A man of good conscience or find sense in whatever you're saying. Say, oh, I said my papa no crew. But you do not build such a castle of such nonsense in your favor. And at the end of the day, people are seeking to break down that castle. You come back and complain. Yeah. No sensible person who agree with you. So for me, I think that the petition that have been submitted to the president, they are in line with constitutional requirement, and President Mahama doesn't have a choice, because once it has been submitted to him, it is his job to forward it to the Chief Justice. They establish the prima facie or not. Yeah. At the end of the day, if they are able to establish credence, then the committee will be set up and the necessary thing will have to be done. And subsequent to that, the president will have to follow through with the dictate of the committee. And that's exactly what is going to happen in this particular country. And for me, I think that, you see, these are shameless bunch of people. On their own, they will not resign. Just like Toko no dear, yeah, otchere say the way by this same individual, because yeah, otchere say now we electoral commissioner. Now we yes sober reflection now too anywhere near my Koso Okroma. But Machoma no free University of Ghana by friends a boss Asare. This is somebody from academia. This is somebody from academia. Yeah. All on board, you could see a certain intelligence will be brought to bear. But onokra there na onokra there na choka. Yeah. This is a guy who made a categorical statement here. One of the critical stakeholders in the electoral enterprise process, and the NDC, a threat to Ghana democracy. And this person sat there as a neutral arbiter and an independent person who was supervising elections. Does it make sense? And they mention the belligerent posturing that they assumed. Oh, Makasa Yebeya, the registration center, no, our district level, no, there, a lot of people were denied because Okonofwa to travel from a district capital to some of the villages, yeah. Now, Afenyo Bafaka, now, Kwani and register now, why they call her in Diamond Dam, our district, just stop a lot of people from exercising their franchise. And I think that if you want evidence, you can go to the north and you get millions of evidence. So for me, these people have crossed the Anakwaba could be a council for anything. Also in Klasika, and these people, such uncultured beings, should not be sitting at the Electoral Commission. When issues came, very contentious issue, and people were doubting the credibility of the electoral register. What are some of kind? Oh, register na to about that yes, this is somebody who feed from the taxpayer. This is somebody who feed from he rather uttering nonsense to the people of this country. So for me, because they did all this thing, because they felt they were in a comfortable zone, because somebody brought them on board for a particular agenda. And so far as the person was in power, their tenure was safeguarded. What I say? And the 2020 elections, 2024 elections, the parliamentary elections, look at issues. One of them, Pandaya. So this Pandai issue is another prima facie for the incompetence of the Electoral Commission. And several of such cases are likely to pop up. So for me, I think that nobody on his right senses in this country can sit and say, the Electoral Commission is being hounded. O can say the conduct our Electoral Commission is conducting. You see, we live in a country where very reactionary and emotional people. Asante and Akufo say, oh, let us forgive. No, we cannot do that. For me, I think that some of these things, we need to establish the conventional red lines. Who say your file say be easy. Your file say be Chief Justice. Enya wona na konwa and enya wufi akonwa. Unti metena so fa medin semhunu. A day of reckoning, a day of accountability will come. That is the message that we need to send to people out there, so that we all be measured in our endeavor. Because President Mahama is the president of this country, but he cannot wake up a day and say, "Me na me president, they me pay me yeah. He cannot do that, because he is also operating as president within the limit of the law. What I say? But you cannot sit in a public office and be acting foolishly and belligerently. They were not amenable to wisdom. They were not amenable to reasoning. They were acting at the behest of their own twisted kind of emotions or whatever interest that they had at the time. This is the time for us to go through the constitutional process. I don't care what anybody says, oh, Mahamadu Bawumia, or try to, he's resetting the country. And anybody any individual, any institution, biana, the actions or inactions, dented the credibility and attracting the foundations of our democracy must go down because no single person is bigger than this country. And I'll be disappointed if President Mahama doesn't do that. Because that is what he told the people of this country. So I'm sure, now he's ready to go through everything and nobody should sway him. The constitutional process should be allowed to go through. At the end of the day, if it is established that J. Mensah and his people are clean, they should continue to do their job. We will welcome them with the double arms. But if it happens that the actions, the inactions, in the past, threaten your democracy, the constitution can say fertile grounds for their removal, then they need to go home. There is no pity about some of these things because actions must have consequences, and there is no way to go about it than to make sure that these petitions go through.
All right. To participate in the upcoming flag bearership elections, because I think that is what they are saying. Say our party now is see what party more say one of the issues more lose elections, and at the toss be so almost some boy some for so boy say me I no na the kwasu President Mahamadu move no mayenka na power is transit ntienra dem abebre na course so launching of their new constitution. Innocent.
I think Justin Kodua is the perfect person to represent the state MPP woman.
Okay.
Yes, because he has demonstrated clearly how incompetent he has always been. And that is the sad state the party finds itself. So you see the mirror reflection. Yes. So so I am not surprised, because there be a cancer the sad state MPP are degenerating into a na. So they should look straight into President Akufo Addo. No can say he did not only come to destroy Ghana, but rather he came to destroy the MPP as a tradition, from which because ever since they exited power, if you look at the state MPP go what's in China, where you'll be aware admirer of Ghana's democracy, clearly you become disappointed because you might wish the MPP as an entity become more responsible, more efficient, will be led by men of higher moral integrity, conviction. But ever since they exited power, demonstrating nothing but incompetence, recklessness, and unreasonableness elements, are quite overriding in the things that they do. For instance, when this idea was conceived of doing this top-down approach, maybe I can't be. They thought, we're the more anti-MPP enthusiasts. And whatever that comes up, whatever that comes up, we'll go for it. But President Akufo came out and said the same thing. Is President Akufo anti-MPP enthusiast? Kwame Pianimba, the same thing. The statement we made, he re-echoed the same thing. Said he didn't find any sense in what the MPP was doing. Makacha said, he who the gods want to destroy, they first make mad. Because this is people they are jump over Ghanaians. They think they are sitting on a certain high horses better than Obia. So whatever they perceive to be right, that should be the state of play. Nothing will convince them to slide. And consistently, you could see that the party keeps degenerating and flop into the gutters. Even in doing their job as an responsible opposition party, that is not what they are doing. Go to Parliament and see how people like Afenyo Markin has transformed the place into a comic stance where people go there and argue nothing but nonsense that infuriates Ghanaians the more. Because what we watch proceedings in Parliament in quite recent now had the posturing of Afenyo Markin and his people and the debate on the topic, and the kind of posturing the positions, and very often let's walk away kind of stance now. It is not something that convinces Ghanaians to forget about the excesses of the Akufo Addo government, but rather it is rather an extension and a model Parliament, because you don't lose power and now zoom a set posturing very stiff that media and some opposition whatever happens I'm against. You see, you must begin to appeal to the conscience of the people of this country who gave you a technical knockout in the elections. Now, no make a platform, you know, we say, so aren't me as somebody, when you're worried about the depreciating numbers of the MPP. Now, I say, what should I be worried?
Are you part of them?
No, why should I be worried? I appreciate that the party will be efficient, but the fact of the matter, the numbers MPP have in parliament, if they have blame, they should go to Akufo Addo's doorstep and ask him, because he led a historically bad governance in this country. And no outcome no winya. When they went to Kumasi and they wanted what you call, your friend is saying, the people of Way, one of the largest constituencies in Kumasi, my friend is saying, when they were asking for a road, the president sat on radio. Kwabre. He told them, when he got to the election, they to show their thumb somewhere. They decided not to vote. So if you had your friends are poor numbers in parliament, you come back and blame me. So there is no sympathy. Nobody is going to. After losing the seat in parliament, you know, even playing opposition role, no, you keep losing the numbers. You keep losing the numbers. So for me, I think that we need to sit down as a country. Now you look through the fine lines and tease out how opposition parties are supposed to behave. Because that is not what that is not what they are doing. And then they put themselves up for elections. Me makacha manfo say o henipa yo motwahia de o henanima animunyam kakra wom our person of high convection value your friend say Kwabena Agyapong. Yes, and he is the person and MPP could have defaultly come say okay look the Ghana for form the party in Namui. Kwabena Agyapong is somebody sharply he's disconnected from all this nonsense that happened under Akufo Addo. And he's a person who has proven to be a bit of a higher integrity as compared to the rest. And I agree, I am putting him there as the new face of the MPP. For me, that may even appeal to a certain Ghanaians. But you look at the individual like Bawumia Campaign, who was at the center of a lot of criminal activities in this country, including the Ayawaso West Wagon, your friend saying a pandemonium that occasioned. You look at Bawumia, who led the most abysmal economic downturn in the history of this country, and there was a haircut and other excesses that drove this particular economy into the gutters. And who again? Kennedy Agyapong, who has verbally committed a lot of criminal atrocities against others. And I'm not so many people. This is a guy who has proven to be emotionally unstable. He's not predictable, and you cannot rely on him. Or to go haywire at any point in time. The presidency is a very nation. You are armed with the highest authority of the state. You cannot be unpredictable. You cannot be somebody who cannot be predicted. And says, I'm your president. Now they're Baba Nibufua, they are not by. And then the other guy, also can't hear your friends say the education minister. On my catches or no, or Sesofo, Uncle Pentecost, non microphone, Uncle Preachy. Because he's not even, there is nothing about him that I care for president. And some of these things, you know, rather identity the aura and the sanctity of the office. Because the seekers, you know, must reflect the office. If you get to a time where any unruly character, any incompetent for anybody at all in the name of having amassed money through fair or foul means, you can say, I want to be president. You should know that country is in danger. Because the presidency, you know, is being seen in a certain light. Because in the past, you know, Papa will in the casa and he will be a fine president. But no, there is we don't attach that aura of reverence to the office anymore. Say anybody at all can Papa say I want to be president. So I think that the MPP is an arena of comedy show in series. And I think that the outcome will come. Ghanaians will know because the opposition job there, that is not what they are doing. Even in opposition, look at the way they're conducting themselves. Common engagement with people like Kufo and Nko. Kufo has complained many times. Say, oh no, Obian ho engaging. And again, people who left the party, like Mimia Solo, Alan, and several others, certain effort could have been made. Say, okay, we made a mistake, so let us try to bring it. But they will never accept that they made a mistake. Now this is my running or my to the gutters. They still say, now I want to apply for. And somebody was telling me, say yeah, elections today, Ghana for MPP. So they will vote. You may say you are jokers. you are a joker. Because no rational sane person will make such your friend say analysis on TV. So analysis no natural by the what we are when you have you can say that for fun. But it's not an argument we make on TV where rational people are watching. So I think that they can continue ridiculous. 2028 is not far. And as long as John Mahama and his government continue to deliver on the mandate and the promises that he made to the people of this country, now, Ghana are not forgetful. Yeah. And they will make sure, sir, they will reward him for that. Why you continue to do this dirty stuff in opposition? I think the best thing that will happen to them is the party leadership must be changed. The Afenyo Markin, whatever he's doing, will only satisfy party food soldiers. It's just a mere party food soldier. They don't even understand the actors and the dynamics of politics. And they all appeal to foot soldiers, but not reasonable minds. But in politics, you need to get the reasonable minds on your side to be able to win any election.
All right. So, good morning.
Yeah.
There was some coming mouth penalty.
Now, one of the come up penalty, and now maybe drew higher some one program. There were
the last 2 weeks.
Yes.
There was a challenge, but I didn't see a fix, you know. And I don't know. I would have
a challenge. Challenge.
We are
my member what you I chop a mood for for say Bakumi you to my PM.
Me was all called baby and son. Okay, come on, sir. They are now the metana kwacha.
Is here no say jumana doso. Tia now you know oburu tot. That then you are bedroom Hanama bedroom. 3 minutes go make a massive. You have a break.
All right, so far I come here no be cabo mama me. Electoral Commission petition special prosecutor the minority say mu special prosecutor na say abandon person be to corruption ase. And nanra or send detainee na what they or more review of constitution no ato aso magia to say na a party our party nim and say one be involved with the past executives to get involved in voting activities and many other things that they talk about.
Yeah, me that's Richard Ivan so me the woman say your friend is a many minority na ya adwene say ye OSP on them wa corruption no into us here to say ye ni dia alliance ye be konketa session asem na obo kasa da chiro ba ya mo obi ka asem ya mo mabaso so say obo ka try na mo analyze na because say ye OSP we na wo ha ono Afenyo na wo no ECG chrono keta session pro ya ono say ECG ye wan say ye wia e kro be ba na so ma be mu pa na obi be kasa asem na ocho na OSP ni dey echo. And you OSP we the oha obi akotu amana 97 million ye hwehwem oko scholarship secretariat ye wia fake documents nkofo agi hu sika OSP ti ho oti ase national service die na akonkon hoyi baby look agima menu o kromu a
ani o ma
V any airport. You see, I cried the other bomb is zip line. Say, and yet, if you say, apart from that, you know, ye Tiabusumi be $528,000.
Yeah.
How about Kwabena Agyapong? And this minority, the catcher say, we OSP a corruption, no, the whole catcher say, we if you are a otchere. Timamu, you know, send a bear about attack into way. House of folk near you go goalkeeper. We are part as a mon clear my OSP Munyin free of us. And our crowd was assembly. Pebua was say assembly cry. Make why they are born 945 visible now on sorry for resignation letter. And I say you need because you are so sensible. So you are not investigating Pebu on any corruption charges.
Exactly.
and only the mandate of your office or investigate corruption and corruption related offenses. That's what the music abra.
Yeah.
People now, what's the we invite is on the boa me you now. Some member I don't know any time. Say one day soldier ya kasa so dey that time go fie go so. Ah, people how kwa dem trust so. People so ka tell so you stupid. I agware say we are stupid also you are stupid. Ah, people why ni nyina.
Super stupid.
Men fan go fie go so ho. Say yes the Bible say obi bo aso wo ha do da wo bo akwa no tro na adwene left. Wo bia bo aso wo a.
Ah, the boy ya
wo tro na adwene left.
Na san kwase a principal na ya
Say obi abo me ma sumo ha. Na ma sa dane ha dia ma. Na ma so asi.
Modam.
Ah, ono so na sumo ho. Bombi. Eye part to part get to get. E ho na. Eno ti na
one na wabotu.
Pebu de enu ano eye so omuja na omo ayo omuti ne ye.
Oh, amanya na kanope e be deja.
Oh, na anope so so ko mi am free am e ko ho. You see OSP no on ne ho. He must be told. Ken Ofori Atta obi also ochi no eye Ken Ofori Atta eye omo amabobo di so mo wie oman no.
Yeah.
Onche wo obi a ono kire na adwe so wo ye corrupt no wasan so ready so oba wa ba be prove na wo kra aka no bi e court ni o judge e judge in your own court
Yeah.
wo no de so bo na bo
Na wa se.
wo san so be so tena so na wo na awura de ekro be kra ni na we nya young man bi tin je friends Sammy darko no asaba had
Ba asema making
strategic
asema make na so no ha.
Teso ka wo e no be kasaba hat maybe tax me to be change you twa.
Yeah.
Who know be kasa kire be kasa because your position is linked to the fact that Kissi Agyaben it is a ofiri wa muni aduma. It just say ade ni nsem hunu kwaro
Or defend. And he doesn't even know how to talk.
And you know sa OSP we dey maka also and on one be resign na nye fefefe ni nyina yenye dey ye move on. That's all office require yenye ni papa bi amodi muntu na enwu budget ye fan ko ka to ni general ya kase corruption institutions require do so do yoko shrad ni yenke kambom some person nya ante ya na nya one na ya mumra ni nyina yenke kambom ni hu se corruption ay institution di hu se ye ntu ase na ye de so bo no ye de ekobo na we so o anti money laundry mu we so o corruption related offenses we so o human rights we dey situation no eno ti ye ni sa ebe boye MP before they say and I'm so go the constitutional
review
na metie me abenu ya kodia besresa as kodia wa adwuma akofa to ho si yetu fo senye general secretary ngwana ya adwuma na gidi ube ya general secretary be ya and one was say I want to be nya adwuma. There is no constitutional amendment ebetumi prepare free Ghana for tirimu say ye $97 million akoto amena and into uchenyi anase wa amend the constitution na ye refi ni akoto abama entumi nsisa no. There is no MPP constitutional amendment ebetumi prepare free Ghana for tirimu say inflation at a point could do 54%. What's the constitution into no echina yem koto abama. There is no constitutional amendment to make me free Ghana for say at a point now you told you 300 cities rage ya ma maybe kwa wo your friend Aisha or kwa wo ya about on 300 cities kon tombo second important mo so you told you 300 and the Akufo Addo nipa wo nya ice water. There is no constitutional there is no constitutional amendment bet me asesa the fact say Ken Ofori Atta or this why born into what Daniel free on my and no better than papa. Share some idea ya ka ya yenwie say sika pudio e be na constitution na wo amend no e bet me papa. Mo na mo kwa akoto aba mu nyandu ba bia we si we born ni won kai we si we dey 16 we si we dey 30 we dey 40 ye firi o da mba kire yare e obi a we abodam we autism ana se si akura de edamuo o ye friend attach ya Ghana for the motherfucker onde
mate
wo elder wo be kire o be ka campaign kire ya o si Ghana for the motherfucker baby a campaign akodu no enu ti Ghana for no more ye. Now we don't know you. Ya to be say Yako a 7 December yana 1 year.
Yeah.
That's a couple say 2 or 3 days so. One say still Ghana for no mobu for MPP so.
Yeah.
They say wo mo ni ya omudi fam no na nya hogro so. Ah, na mo ma be good banks bebre. Dear amendment pan betumi asese free nkofo tirim say no ye adwuma Royal Bank, o ye adwuma Uni Bank, o ye adwuma Capital Bank, o ye adwuma UT Bank, o ye adwuma Heritage Bank, o ye adwuma all these banks ye gu no what if you won ye adwuma. Now so ko ye constitutional amendment ni the refi. How is it going to erase that? Ana pedi bi anso ni party no. Dear Kenya, and we and the way for we and wahoro bia bronye fa Kennedy wahoro na objeso bia edu objatem kwasi botwe young man
kete ne ma me kora me ne yepe
can you na wa ujese na dia ya no kwasa san kora we nyina so ya bra wo party na kire no ya nwu ho no mo but on beto Mahamadu Bawumia because Bawumia na kase no nka party no ntira asa amanfrafo aba party mu o mu nim Kwaku Annan ntino omo se no omo se no so awi and the party the only thing also go ba na omo ye say omo kase ye gu no obi abeje de chance wo na omo medom UP but e beduru ho
okay
shese and the party yes rerun wo mo
ya
pandai omo headache pa yes rerun na obo ye wo but say be yom Kwaku campaign no already nyinami on say pani bia nim ti no mo ye internal elections ono so ono support Bawumia
yeah
ano mo north area tribal politics etia Brian ne Kennedy
yeah
on say nyame on pebone ana by election
abeto
rerun there aba eti Kennedy for say okay some say Bawumia there bibia ba northern side all the be winning nyina
yeah
eji ongogoji tumi yimra chene nyindam ni tipa nyina ne se be ya Bawumia oni credibility wo no obetumi akwakoji tumi no aba eno ntina omatam omonyooma omode ko Supreme Court afi the technicalities se emra omo file case no kra na 21 days no apa meanwhile one kasa wa affidavit in opposition wa affidavit ade oppose plaintiff ne you know wo kire wo yinam na kire ye say Electoral Commission gazetted results on the 6th of January.
Yeah.
In the 6th of January, 21 plus 6 as year 27.
27.
It is a filing case on the 25th. My mistake.
Oh, yeah, mistake.
Because the judge said, I didn't know that. The governor who said, your money in Koye. Now, be a wouldn't so because Supreme Court. Now, when your minority leader to me a press conference, I said, did judiciary in the atom. What do you get the way strategy be no yan kwada dwene e da party egua baby a wo kwakọ pepere ye no wonyan kwakura ne ye buabua no aka so be kasa wo
kangaroo court
na wasan so aba be di won atem wo ye wasa akọ adwene ba yi abra wo e na anu ye a wonko ne Ghana ni lawyer ni a ye ma sa 12 o'clock by 3 o'clock na kuta results ono kwa ni Ghana ni a wo tumi ma Supreme Court to tell us Friday Supreme Court for travel na mu wie ya
wasa did you
matter me wa case e hye na Akufo Addo na president na tokonu na chief justice o to na asane judge no kra o te se obi ye na adwo so obedi boni a na se tokonu ana na pese di boni se o se judge na nya papa dia na se tokonu na share da kofa judge onye se government bedi boni so no kra ye ntiana April year 2025 year Obuasi East returning officer ka say NDC Samuel Aboagye wini omotam court ka say no MPP ne wini na sa ta kangaroo court ni yo another mpre nye court ya o se kangaroo ya e ka say another mpre dey na NDC go mo strategy crowd say ga wo opportunity so be tun mo so Obuasi East your friend is Mahamadu Bawumia no atena ho near the awu ni na wo de ba kwa we kura yen ka so bia lusu yesi aba na mokoto ye no akinyu aba ho monsan konko ye bio nyendam also we need by 3,700 something but now ni pay to every kro mu aye 10% of the voter population and yes mo mesen san ko bio to abanama we eya asem
enya asem bia ehu
ko election ya afidi adane Boakye bidi eni atembidi eni akika no be yes because party no eni eyi a chese sunsun bia nim bio enti wona ofiri akwatia ba ya buru wani susu ya a wunya hu so eya sa kasa by heart ye na akwatia ba ye say na omo so Ghana fo afio Uncle Agyaben is here.
From
Ghana for
Ane.
And you almost started Ghana for film, Ghana for the Yamen Charlie about Kwasa top and die.
Monka Jemmy
said, no, maybe I'm more Gabon. Me, my 2 million down for said. So when you can claim you on the bank account to a more fun go talk to credit on fun mistake. It's I say, you can lose 2 days at Ube lose na say lusu sika na sa party friend MBB unya go do opposition na we be bia come there be deal
and sadly that guy is a gentleman the way he has conducted himself
because you see Pandana Ngasa nyina no original MBB ni because Pandana traditionally NDC seat omu wini ya till 2012 ana nyinam ebe independent candidate so I say Erunti Samu Yinam Nanim say, look, Cecia and your man won so qua, obey, Obelusu. Erunti MBB your massam dear. Yamena ya dumwa, Akufo Addo Chiasia, Egua, Papa Penny Warha, Egua, Meniaje. Says Atta ye canan wogun no office in Tuskenifu. Okay, and I know as I slang it, or you to do 100 years slang you so. Erunti a year. Now the next one there also why and I no
Fabo mo fa lithium mum
I think you already Makama Sam say they must immediately rescind the decision.
We are not Ivan de Yapon.
In fact if you say nya musika mo man sha asase na and now yinya time wa sika kra go for so the babeshi $185 million no enye sika hu bia Ghana yentumi emfa sika no kofa enko high you say we ase baby the
airport gold board nkwampo sika dodo se no mo de
mai who the gold board kra national service dey we national service 2.4 billion we say obi the $185 million ba be ship ye ne yetu ya de
ye betu ya de
say ye nyanye ready na le board for mo de mu nyanto ye malitium na duane wo ba bia edum mra nkwada no ba nyine nya technology na yentumi say bibia sa ye mistake with petroleum and our crude ye nyamo ade fa bia ye mistake with our gold ye mistake with our bauxite with our manganese with our iron lithium we nyame kura na ya adoma ma nyo bia church say and no kira mo say munyanto asa mo Ghana ni bia na no Ibrahim kokoje ye o take over Zuma yi be je somebody say foreign na power be fa ko de kam Ghana ni
fa Ghana ni
and o tuna so discarding the number this wa ha ya menim said them krom ha e dey security but say be ma go for barari adey sikani just give you $185 million si be mu go abom oh dabi chano dey men support it and will not support it today to have that say o man pen so wa friend stakeholders say Monsan take a second look o man pen mesro take a critical look at it na ye make sure say Ghana for no there e will lithium no so but me my proposal na say there be ye bia ye ma Ghana ni nya de no
okay
ye mwa Ghana for no munya sika o betumi aye ye betumi register $185 million no ni akofa experts na sanga ngovo ya akofo no this am ye top expertise say ya na otia no a okọ Middle East the owo ya no ya titi na we expect we no matter scabro ba be adwuma we man o ya say o ye mo ye tua kana ko be sa ne ye no wo nye ni special talent wa ya ma wa gidi sika so tia say na emeye Ghana fo Japade na ye nsu ye nidim wa se ne de ya na ye who say who out kwada titi we so matter fire them quarter them better unsia
usi ade ye ne mo beche kunu no
kwada nketu a ye ni awo a mo ngosu ya de mo tibika kire se mo ba beje mo ma be no kunu kwada be ya we na no ba ku bi wa juso wo he style ne ma me nya bi da o kai akonya
de no
ye busa ma me for activists one more 60 years the musi so
Davidson.
Kwada inye ye ba me for yi ba wiase ye nyira kwada
tue. Kitchen stool kura de.
Kitchen stool.
Me bi da. Eso akrate me ye.
Na kwada ye tumi aye style. Na ko ye style we enye ho do. But for me it is a true reflection of our state of now in the past no man kwada ni we are too much.
Yeah, na more practice no.
A teacher for teacher no mo try exams na kwada o mo de more mo vigilators o mo copy. You fi say yo iba obi na emu bi na ba be medical doctors
no wa panye
boni eniti emre bi ni wa e kire say ni so bitumi feli e say say enim say o man enim so obi be feli ntino ani am opportunity say obetumi reset so ti ase aba ni say no say etena se ni e man kwala na feli ye no o mu ehu so musua de so ti ase musua de a o mu kono mbom ho de o mbetwa na obi a face remedial about 10 years. It's no pass here. Who is better than him?
There be.
It's vigilation. The man get tight. Me man kwala ni wia. Me ba oh now me can't jam class up or crowd meti. Na me boy. I dey me person meti class says and be leaky. I don't want to know. Me person me control with my strength.
Yeah.
Be failure be failure. Me pass am pass. And until that is it in the past ni true results.
Yeah.
Obi to the sort of students they more obi one more common myself cry dey man so what university would hey the one who's been there since January and this is the true state of our education now for my textbooks no and start because I go secondary school
yeah
and starting co now wo for no so kakra e benya no ye invest wisely say extra classes ne be ya man kwada na me am face sika nko nkotwa ye num ne ye nya omo ye mfam wo omo I mean I'll rather prefer say sika me be si dan no me be he me ma munyina mbesi a so no ma kosi because dan be si ama on no e bia obenyina ye kolo enye baba
atmoded
nti me so be si dan ama and I cry ya higher what ye si dan cry me say cry ye nyigidie say ma be gina ba be abede omo because who GDS say oba e benyira ye obi papa anase titire o man mu a wo house anya dey aman de ohia no say obeboa no in this career projection say bia a bakery no person you after school wa boa no asua ho nimde na watua agina baba asa no aba be enenti results no dey for me this is what we have been saying all this while okay mre bia Akufo Addo koto pass question ma man kwara no ko wi no mu didi o matem o mu didi na tem say ye fi say we na eba kwara la gini nyina yo mu say sa generation yo bibia ye fast track fried rice ye nya the fast
AI
it doesn't work like that ya bro e mo so no mo tia sia sa na ye ne sa ya you get the best out of them na omra asunti no be de manuasi
Ivan for lithium ne wasi no my employee.
Yeah, I think your friend saying wasi. I've said a lot about it, and I think said OBS can mean sure say anything stranger see.
Yeah,
it's just a true reflection of state of play.
Yeah,
over the years, and I think you're making education some sort of a political way be a tool. Politicians seek to harness political capital. And I think Samra free SHS by there was clearly a deliberate attempt just to monetize it in terms of political capital. So the dividend out will be communicated. So yeah, the buyer we the interman form to Abamayan. So we adopted a lot of desperate measures.
Yeah.
Yeah, making sure we fixated on the results. And one of the famous comments that the president made, they say, your friend is saying Akufo Addo
graduates
because they had a good grade in as a forum. And Assemble Kwamam for Nkanese over since 2020.
Yeah.
Ghana breaking away from WAEC. WAEC na ye tro ha na ye nkwan ye de.
West Africa.
And yeah, West Africa de. Nti ya na ye tena asate a question ya mark ya de doesn't go through any. So it made it quite easy to, have any sort of influence via person results no so. And this change of government, but this year so still but I think that the supervision this time round no change and the report from the grounds said there was a deliberate attempt at supervising it properly.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.